హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఈరోజు మనము ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ చాప్టర్స్ మనకి 3 చాప్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్స్ లాగానే. బట్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్కి ఈ ఇయర్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఉండాల్సినటువంటి వేవ్స్ని మనకు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. సో ఇప్పుడు లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్లో మనకి వర్క్, ఎనర్జీ, పవర్ అండ్ ఆసిలేషన్స్, అలానే సేమ్ మనకి థెర్మోడైనమిక్స్, ఈ 3 చాప్టర్స్ నుంచే మనకి లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి. సో దాంట్లో మనకి మొదటి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్, ఎనర్జీ, పవర్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎస్ఏ టాపిక్స్లో ఈరోజు మనం దానికి సంబంధించిన ఎస్ఏస్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ది మనకి వర్క్ ఎనర్జీ థీరం. సో వర్క్ ఎనర్జీ థీరం గురించి సో ఈ వీడియోలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. సో ఫస్ట్, what is work? Work energy theorem means first we can define the what is work. So work means the dot product of force vector and position vector. The dot product of force vector and displacement vector. That is W is equal to, so here F bar is the vector product and the dot product of force vector and displacement vector, that is equal to Fs cos theta. Suppose here we can place a body on the surface, we can apply the force on this body and the displacement is like this. Displacement place the change in the place and this is the displacement. Here we can consider the angle theta and this one is the cos theta, and vertical one is, horizontal is cos theta, vertical one is sin theta. So here horizontal, then we can multiply the force vector and the displacement vector, that is the Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta, and finally work done is equal to force vector and displacement vector. So that is the work. And second one, kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? So kinetic energy means it is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Virtue of its motion. So a body is in motion, it possesses the kinetic energy. It is energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. We can write the kinetic energy formula. K is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Next, what is the work energy theorem? Work energy theorem means the work done by a net force acting on a body is equal to change in its kinetic energy. So work is equal to change in its kinetic energy. So that is the work done is equal to W is equal to change in kinetic energy. So that is the final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So this is the work energy theorem. So take a screenshot. Yes. Next మనం వర్క్ కైనటిక్ ఎనర్జీ, వర్క్ ఎనర్జీ థియరం చూసాం. వాటి ప్రూఫ్ నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి. దీని కంటిన్యూషన్. ఫస్ట్ వర్క్ డెఫినేషన్ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. డిఫైన్డ్ వర్క్. వర్క్ మీన్స్ ద product of dot product of force vector and displacement vector, that is work. Next, kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Next, work energy theorem, change in work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. So next, continuation proof. Suppose a body, suppose proof means, suppose we can take the a body placed on the horizontal surface. So here the body initial velocity u, and we can apply the a constant force F. Constant force F acting on a body. Body initial velocity u. Initial velocity u, and the body displaced. The body we can apply the force. The body displaced from here to here. That is a displaced. So that is the displaced. So displaced. Yes, and the final velocity is v with a time t. The body initial velocity u, a constant force applying on the body f, and the displacement s, and final velocity v. Then after time t, we already know the formula, that is kinematic equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. 2as. Then multiply the m by 2 on both sides. M by 2 on both sides. Then we can write m by 2 of v square minus u square, that is equal to m by 2 into 2as. So here 2 cancel. Then remaining one we can write half m v square minus half m u square, that is equal to MAS. So here half mv square is the final kinetic energy minus half mv square is the initial kinetic energy, that is equal to MAS. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA. Then we can replace the MA place is F. Therefore, half mv square minus half m u square is equal to f into s. F into s. You already know the formula work done. So what is the work done formula? The work done is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. Then we can replace the f dot into s is equal to work. Then work done is equal to, therefore, work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Say half of v square is the final kinetic energy minus half of u square is the initial kinetic energy. So hence work energy theorem is proved. So what is the work energy theorem? Work W is equal to change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So very easy. So v square minus c square is equal to as, and multiply the both side m by 2. M by 2 of v square minus c square is equal to m by 2 of 2as. Here 2 cancel. Remaining one half m v square. It can be written as 1 by 2 m into v square minus 1 by 2 into m into u square equal to m into a into s, mas. So according to Newton's second law, F is equal to MA place lo F replace cheste half mv square minus half m u square is equal to F into S. Then according to work, W is equal to F into S. Then we can replace the work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, KEF minus KEI, kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. So that is the work energy theorem proof. What is the work energy theorem? Changing kinetic energy is equal to work done, or work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. So take a screenshot.
No, sir, కనిపించలేదు అసలు లాస్ట్ లో చెప్పావు